Understanding biochemical oxygen demand and total suspended solids changes how we manage septic loads for a tiny house septic system. Biochemical oxygen demand is the amount of oxygen microorganisms need to break down organic matter, and total suspended solids are particles that remain suspended in wastewater, and both determine how quickly a small septic system clogs and how well the biological treatment performs. For tiny house systems, expect lower absolute flows, but often higher per person loads. So learn typical small house load ranges, such as household strength wastewater with biochemical oxygen demand around 100 to 300 milligrams per liter and total suspended solids around 100 to 300 milligrams per liter, and adjust design and maintenance accordingly. Measure influent concentrations by collecting a grab sample at the tank inlet and send it to a certified lab for biochemical oxygen demand and total suspended solids analysis. Labs will give clear sampling instructions, so avoid DIY missteps like letting samples sit at ambient temperature for hours. Reduce incoming biochemical oxygen demand by limiting disposal of cooking oils, grease, heavy food waste, and concentrated cleaning chemicals into the system, and use a kitchen grease trap or compost food solids instead. If you have high total suspended solids from laundry or construction work, install a simple pre-treatment option such as a filter bag, a sedimentation chamber, or an upflow sand filter sized for low flows to trap solids before they reach the primary tank. Schedule occasional laboratory testing every 6 to 12 months for systems with variable occupancy, and adapt pump-out frequency and maintenance tasks to measured loads rather than fixed calendar intervals. Monitor scum and sludge levels visually at service ports, and increase solids removal when sludge approaches 1/3 to 1/2 of the liquid depth to avoid solids carryover. Owners often treat tiny house systems like full-size systems and do not account for higher per-person loading, which shortens system life. So start by estimating daily per-person flows and compare measured biochemical oxygen demand and total suspended solids to typical ranges, and adjust practices and maintenance accordingly. Many people assume all soaps and cleaners are biodegradable and pour concentrated detergents down the drain, which can spike biochemical oxygen demand and upset the biological community. Switch to low sudsing, septic-safe products, and limit concentrated chemical disposal. A common issue is underestimating solids from laundry and portable toilets, which increases total suspended solids. Install pre-treatment for high solid sources and increase inspection and pump-outs when tests show rising solids. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like tiny house septic planning, and we help people find local professionals who are available for design, installation, and maintenance. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share real-world load data, testing tips, and practical maintenance experience to help everyone make better decisions.